How to set up and use voice access for hands-free control. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, I will teach you on how to set up and use voice access for hands-free control. So now let's get started. First of all, to enable voice access, all you need to do is open the Settings app on your device. Then search for Accessibility and tap on it. Now click on Interaction and Dexterity and click on Voice Access. Now install the Voice Access app. Once the app is installed, again go back and tap on Voice Access. And here now toggle on the Voice Access option. Once enabled, say Hey Google, Voice Access or tap the Voice Access icon if available to activate it. Now use voice commands to control your device hand-free like scroll down, open, click, go back, show my apps, and etc. You can also adjust settings like commands, feedback, language, and more by going to Settings, Accessibility, and Voice Access. Voice Access allows full control of your device using only your voice, making it easier for users with mobility impairments. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.